In the evolving landscape of industrial maintenance, 200-watt pulse laser cleaning machines have become indispensable tools for efficient and precise surface treatment. These devices utilize high-energy laser pulses to remove contaminants like rust, paint, and oil without damaging the underlying material. In this video, I'll explore the top 200-watt pulse laser cleaning machines available in 2025, highlighting their features and benefits to help you make an informed choice for your cleaning needs. Number 1. Ovsuqu FW-200 Pulsed Laser Cleaning Machine. The Ovsuqu FW-200 is a 200-watt pulsed laser cleaning machine designed for efficient and precise removal of rust, paint, and contaminants from various surfaces. Its compact and lightweight design allows for use in narrow spaces and outdoor scenarios, enhancing its versatility across different industries. Equipped with a user-friendly control panel, the machine enables simple and flexible adjustment of parameters, making it accessible for both advanced and novice users. Key features: provides high optical pulse energy with stable output, ensuring safe cleaning. Stable 200-watt output with high optical pulse energy. Self-developed control system prevents substrate damage. Allows for straightforward and flexible parameter adjustments. Suitable for various industries and workpiece shapes. Number 2. MCWlaser 200-watt JPT Pulsed Laser Cleaning Machine. The MCWlaser 200-watt JPT Pulsed Laser Cleaning Machine is engineered for efficient removal of rust, paint, oil, and other contaminants from various surfaces. Its lightweight design, with the cleaning head weighing only 620 grams, ensures comfortable handheld operation over extended periods. The portable trolley case enhances mobility, making it suitable for diverse industrial applications. Key features: high optical pulse energy, with stable output for consistent cleaning. Weighs only 620 grams, facilitating extended handheld use without fatigue. Designed for easy transportation and mobility. Allows precise focus adjustments based on different field lenses. Enables remote parameter setting and laser output control. Number 3. JQUQMJZE 200W Pulse Laser Cleaning Machine. The JQUQMJZE 200-watt Pulse Laser Cleaning Machine is engineered for efficient removal of oil stains and contaminants from various surfaces, including painted ships. Equipped with Raycus Max laser technology, it ensures powerful cleaning performance without damaging the substrate. Its user-friendly design and portability make it suitable for both experienced technicians and those new to laser cleaning. Key features: utilizes Raycus Max technology for superior cleaning results. Ideal for marine maintenance and various surface cleaning tasks. Intuitive interface for easy operation. Lightweight design ensures easy transportation and setup. Effectively removes oil stains without harming surfaces. Number 4. Ironsten 200-watt Portable Pulse Laser Cleaning Machine. The Ironsten 200-watt Portable Pulse Laser Cleaning Machine offers a minimally invasive cleaning solution, effectively removing rust, paint, and oxidation without heating the base material. Its lightweight, air-cooled design ensures easy mobility and operation in diverse environments. This machine is particularly suitable for precision applications, such as mold rust removal and wood paint cleaning. Key features: pulsed laser technology prevents base material heating, great for mold rust, wood paint, and aluminum oxidation cleaning. Precision results: miniaturized air-cooled system and 110-volt compatibility enhance mobility. Lightweight with dual vibrating lenses for varied laser beam paths. Integrated injection molded chassis ensures structural stability. Number 5. Fortune 200W Handheld Laser Cleaning Machine. The Fortune 200W Handheld Laser Cleaning Machine is a versatile and portable solution for removing rust, paint, and other contaminants from various surfaces. Its compact 22-inch trolley case design integrates the laser source, laser head, and accessories, facilitating easy transportation and setup. The machine offers both handheld and robotic operation modes, making it adaptable to diverse cleaning requirements. Key features: compact 22-inch design housing laser components for portability, offers advanced and standard user modes for simplified operation, switches between handheld and robotic modes in under 5 seconds, supports straight line, circle, spiral, and more for tailored cleaning, equipped with a laser emission indicator and safety lock, compatible with common laser connectors like isolators, QCS, and QBH. We hope this guide has provided valuable insights to help you choose the right equipment for your industrial cleaning needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on cutting-edge tools and technologies. Share your experiences or let us know which machine you're considering in the comments below. Thanks for watching.